Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we unlock the secrets to a successful job search. Today, we are diving into something that's crucial if you are interviewing for a new role in any field of work. Yes, it's about soft skills. In this video, we are going to cover top 5 soft skills for every job profession along with the examples on how you can express your soft skills in behavioral interview questions. And we are also going to give you 50 plus soft skill examples that you can include in your resume with the categorization on the basis of job role. Let's get started. Soft skills are crucial in today's job market. Studies shows that 93% of employers consider soft skills to be an essential factor in hiring decisions. Why? Because soft skills like communication, problem solving and adaptability are what truly drives the teamwork and innovation in the workplace. They make you not just a good employee but a great one. Here are the top 5 skills which are suitable for every job: communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, leadership. Now let's take a deep dive into 5 of these top soft skills and explore how you can showcase them through example responses to our top 5 behavioral interview questions. Number 1. Communication. Tell me about a time when you had to explain a complex concept to a non-technical audience. How did you ensure that they understood? As a customer representative, I often had to explain the technical product details to the customer. Once a customer had trouble understanding how to set up our software, I broke down the instructions into simple step-by-step directions and used visual aids to demonstrate each step. I also checked in frequently and ensured that they are following along and understood each part before moving on. This approach helped the customer successfully set up the software. Now let's deeper into the second most asked question related to teamwork. Share an example of a successful team project you were part of. What was your role and how did you contribute to the team's success? I was part of a team tasked with organizing a large corporate event. My role was to handle vendor coordination and logistics. I ensured all contracts were in place, managed the budget and coordinated with vendors to ensure timely delivery of services. By keeping the open communication and working closely with my team members, we were able to deliver a successful event that received the positive feedback from attendees. Now let's see the next most asked question related to the next most important top skill, which is leadership. Can you provide an example of a time when you took the lead to the project? What was the outcome? I led a project to redesign our company's website to improve user experience and increase the conversion rates. I coordinated with a team of designers, developers, and content creators, setting clear goals and deadlines. I also facilitated regular check-ins to ensure we stayed in track. They redesigned the website, launched on time, and resulted in a 20% increase in user engagement and a 15% boost in sales. The next important question is related to problem solving. Can you give me an example of challenging problem you have solved at work? What steps did you take to resolve it? In my role as an IT software developer, we experienced a major system outage that affected all employees. I quickly assembled a team to identify the root cause, which turned out to be a network configuration error. We implemented a temporary fix to restore the service while maintaining a permanent solution. I documented the issue and solution steps, then trained the team to prevent the similar problems in the future. Now, let's understand how you can answer the time management related question. Can you describe a time when you had to manage multiple tasks or projects simultaneously? How did you ensure everything was completed on time? In my previous role as a project coordinator, I was responsible for managing the 3 simultaneous projects with overlapping deadlines. To stay on the top as my responsibilities, I used project management software to create detailed schedules and set milestones for each project. I also held weekly status meetings with the team to track the progress and address any issues promptly. This proactive approach helped ensure that all projects were completed on time and met the client expectations. Now let's come on to the bonus tips. When you are crafting your resume, even if you have no experience, highlight these soft skills. For instance, under your extracurricular activities or volunteer work, mention how you demonstrated leadership or teamwork. So this approach makes your resume stand out and showcases your potential to employers. If you want more in-depth knowledge on what and how to include these soft skills on your resume, check out our detailed blog mentioned in the the pinned comment. Remember, soft skills can set you apart in a job market, so polish them up and get ready to shine. Thank you so much for watching our video and subscribe now for more such content.